my channel. So as you can tell from my voice, I'm so excited for today's video because you guys, I'm going to show you all how I came about this hairstyle right here. And as you all can see, it's a bob hairstyle. Like, I did all this myself. I received 3 bundles of Malaysian straight hair from Yiroo Hair, you guys. This is the company I received this hair from, and I received it as just a straight on 14-inch straight hair, but then I made the wig myself and I also had to cut it and made it into a bob. But yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm going to leave every info regarding this hair and also Yiroo Hair Company in my description box, so definitely try and check that out, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright my love, so like I said earlier, this hair bundles is from Yiroo Hair Company, and I'm using 3 bundles of their Malaysian straight hair in 14 inches and a 14-inch matching lace closure for today's video. And one thing I noticed with this hair is how gorgeously sleek and soft the bundles are, and I just can't wait to finish making the wig. I've showed you guys how I make my wigs so many times, so if you want a detailed wig making tutorial, I will leave the link above the screen. But for this video, we'll quickly go over how I make my wigs. And the first thing I do is to put on a dump cap, and then first of all sew on the closure. I find that first sewing the closure gives you a better understanding on how to structure the wig. I will then go on to sew in the bundles just like I did the closure. I like to start from the front part where I sewed down the closure and then begin sewing all around the cap. Keep repeating the same thing over and over till you're done. Also, I don't like cutting my bundles to avoid the hair from shedding. Just flip it around and continue sewing. Man a bad man, they can try this. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know. Tobari me in the street, my say only make them. They got to go. Tobari me in the bed, my calm down. Oh my gosh, what a long wait. Okay, so I'm going to go on and comb the closure and the bundles to blend, and then I will go ahead and create a side pattern. I don't know why, but I always feel like center or middle part looks weird on my face, so I often go for a side part. So if you want to create a part without struggles, just spray some water to the exact area you want to part and then go ahead and part. It makes everything so much easier.
It's catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright.
Here's where the real job comes in. I will begin cutting the hair to the exact length I want. I didn't want too short or too long of a bob, just something right on my shoulder. So I first placed the wig on my head to measure accurately and then brought it out and started cutting.
Going from short to short now. Me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you.
I first created the first cut and then used it to eyeball where to cut all around the wig. I love to comb and then cut. Also, the first cut is just a rough work because I will still go over them later.
But my music fire.
I'll come to see where needs more work and then I'll go over them one more time. And using a clipper makes the ends look more professionally done, but you also have to be careful because once you cut, that's it.
Every day they play me on my radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake goes. Man, a bad man, they can try this. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If they play my music.
I'm not going to start straightening the wig, but while doing that, I'll also kind of tongue the lower part to create a curve. I'm not sure how to explain it, but if you look closely, you will notice when I get to the lower part, I kind of twist the straightener inwards to create a beautiful bob.
Original bad man.
It's vehicles.
Standard.
I was actually on a video call with my lost friend from college, Joy. I can't believe we haven't seen each other for over 10 years and we just reconnected the day I was making this wig. So you can only imagine the gist going on there. So I'll continue flat ironing and hanging the wig until I'm finished.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down.
And here we are, you guys. I can't believe how gorgeous this wig looks. It's so sleek, soft, and very high quality. I'm very impressed, and everything just went so smoothly. Sometimes when I make wigs, you guys, it takes me such a long time, but this one was just so smooth. Everything just went perfectly well.
Just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me.
Okay, so the last thing I will do is to tint the closure to make it look more realistic, and to do that, I will use Sally Hansen leg tan in the shade medium. This is the easiest way to fake bleach your closure or frontal, and I will blow dry it on cool and then go on and spray some got to be glued free spray to lock everything and also cool dry.
But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want me one me for my city, for my hood, them no.
So finally, it's time to try on the wig, and you guys, I've never been so impressed with a wig I made like this one. Everything looked so flawless.
Then they feel me anytime they see me on the video. They want to see when me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake goes. Man, a bad man, they can try this. What my band is okay. Anytime.
Please don't forget to check out my description box if you care for info regarding this wig. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.
My city, make you hate me when you see me. They want to